Good afternoon, everybody. This is video 2 of an ongoing series that we are going to be working through. It's all about the ultimate ChatGPT guide for real estate agents. This is a book that we wrote, and I was going to publish it like Our Best Workflow Secrets, but ChatGPT is changing so much. I decided to make it a digital book, and currently it's 148 pages. If you're interested in picking up a copy of it, you can go to workflowsecrets.info/WFS GPT guide. Throw the link down in the description. But in this video series, we're going to be working through each of the different sections. So if maybe it's not exactly what you're wanting to buy right now, it's $39 if you want to pick up a copy of it, and we'll constantly be updating it as we get new stuff. But if not, follow along with the video series. They say give your best stuff for free. So that's what I'm doing. I am going to be working through it. Now, in this video today, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be learning all about ChatGPT 4 and ChatGPT Plus. ChatGPT Plus is the subscription-based model for ChatGPT. So there is just a free ChatGPT model as well as ChatGPT Plus. So let's talk into ChatGPT Plus. What is it? Why is it valuable? Why should you possibly look at adding it? Now, I want you guys to know that I understand as real estate agents, you have a lot of things that are in your tech stack that probably have subscriptions to it. And so now I'm asking you to add another subscription to your tech stack, and you might be rolling your eyes at that one, but this might be the most valuable thing that I could ever encourage you to invest in. And I do say the word invest on purpose because I truly believe ChatGPT Plus is an investment. So when you subscribe to ChatGPT Plus, what you're going to do is you are going to gain access even when there is high demand or when they're in those peak times. So several videos ago, you might have realized that I actually got locked out of ChatGPT. Now, this was before they introduced ChatGPT Plus, but there were so many people trying to access ChatGPT, the free version, that they couldn't handle it all. And so I spent basically a week and a half locked out of ChatGPT, and it kind of derailed a lot of what I was doing. And perhaps you yourself have found this to be an issue. When you subscribe to ChatGPT Plus, currently it's $20 a month. I imagine that will scale differently. It is currently June 2023, $20 a month. But it gives you that priority access on those peak times so that you can log in and you don't get locked out. Some other things that it does is you typically have faster responses. You get a enhanced user experience for extensive or complex conversations, as well as access to some other really cool stuff. And that's what we're going to look at today. So over here, I am at platform.openai.com. And if you go to the top right-hand side, you can see what they call it's a hamburger menu. I don't know if I think of that as a hamburger, but it's the 3 stacked bars. And you get access to your settings, basically. Now, you can go into the pricing section, and that is where you will subscribe to ChatGPT. It'll pop you over into this area, and you can start learning all about their different pricing models. When you subscribe to ChatGPT Plus, you actually get access to ChatGPT 4. And so that is kind of going to be what we focus on. When you click learn more, it's going to take you over here. You can actually try ChatGPT Plus. You can join the waitlist for the API. That's basically how ChatGPT communicates with other different pieces of software and technology. As a side note, that's what we're using for the Systems Accelerator Manager, SAM, to communicate with and build out some really cool stuff. So a little bit about SAM. We are building a systems builder for real estate agents, and I'm trying to make it one of the most simple things that you could ever do. Basically, share a little bit about yourself, about your business, And then we use Mark's framework, the core strategies, the conversions, operations, retentions, and experiences, the 4 core areas. You need good systems in your real estate business. This is a framework he's been sharing for about 3 decades. And he's helped thousands of real estate agents using it. And so we built SAM on the foundation of that. So if you want to build something for your conversions, your leads coming in the door, you can build how-tos and guides and FAQs and all these different things. And you just click buttons and it's going to allow you to do that. Maybe you're looking to build a system for your business operations, and you can explain what that is, or the conversion or the retention of clients that have already come in and worked with you. That way you can start focusing on having to really bring in new leads every 30, 60, 90 days. Do you have past clients that are just dying to work with you? Life gets much easier, and the experiences kind of flow within all of that. And so that's what Sam is doing. And let's say I wanted to build a lead magnet for a first-time home buyer that is a guide. I just click lead magnet, first-time home buyer guide, and then generate, and boom, how I have it. All I have to do is grab it, apply discernment, use my own experience as the expert that is the real estate agent. And then I can plug it into my CRM or to my emails or maybe on my website, wherever it's going. So I'm really excited. I think Sam is just going to be an invaluable piece of technology for you guys as real estate agents. We are almost into beta, and I will throw a link in the description below, as well as if you are interested in beta testing that. I'm looking for 20 tech-empowered real estate agents to spend a month in SAM, really getting in there, testing it, see how it works. But I'm pretty confident that we can take a 30-hour system build for you as a real estate agent, condense it in about 10 minutes. And so there's some really cool speed. And that's all done using an API, but that's not necessarily super important to you, but it's a little side context for you. And so on here, ChatGPT 4, it's giving you some stats on what you can do. But ChatGPT Plus allows you access to ChatGPT 4. And I am going to cover this as one long video because it is a very similar concept. And so when you have just a regular ChatGPT account, you have access to ChatGPT 3, 3.5. But when you get Plus, you get ChatGPT 4 access. And it's going to default to 3.5. But when you default into ChatGPT 4, you have access to some really cool stuff. Now, there are some things that are still in beta from OpenAI, like the code interpreter that we did get access to. And this has been really cool because I have been able to start communicating with ChatGPT in plain text, and it's generating code for me that I can then send to my developers who are helping build SAM. And it just makes this really seamless thing. I have lots of videos on the code interpreter. You can also use browsing, and so you can add in URLs to ChatGPT 4, and it's going to be able to basically do a search engine query. So when you ask a search engine a question, you're going to get a list of URLs, and you click on that link and you scroll through the article until you find what you're looking for. Well, ChatGPT with browsing can do that for you. Instead of having to manually go through each link and look for that information, it's just going to spit back what you're looking for. I think that's really cool. And then you also get access to plugins. Plugins are kind of like when you are using, say, Chrome, the extensions that are in Chrome, or maybe if you are an Apple or an Android user, the apps that you have access to in the App Store. That's very much what plugins are. They are things that have been created to help enhance your ChatGPT experience. And that's all available to you on ChatGPT 4 with that ChatGPT Plus. So you have default mode, internet browsing, the code interpreter, improved conversational understanding. ChatGPT 4 has a better grasp of context because it's been trained with more things. You also have access to those plugins that are third-party based. Lots of companies like Workflow Secrets. I believe Mark, for his CRM company, RealVolve, which is a real estate specific CRM. He's building a plugin for their users right now as well. It just unlocks all these really incredible experiences that you as a ChatGPT Plus user have access to. And truthfully, when it's all said and done, you are going to be able to save so much time. You're going to have priority access. You're going to have access to additional tools, and it's going to be able to work with you in a way that is just going to expedite a lot of processes, a lot of systems for you in your real estate business. So I just think that if you are looking to add something to your tech stack, I know that there is some cost associated, but it's probably one of the best things that you could possibly do. This is a pretty quick video, so that is kind of a little bit about ChatGPT Plus as well as ChatGPT 4, the subscription model, as well as what it warrants or gives you currently. And that's stuff that we talk about in the Ultimate ChatGPT guide. Now, on the next video, we are going to be talking about writing better prompts. And I've got some really cool stuff for you. I'm kind of just grazing over all of this stuff. So if you're interested in a deeper dive into this concept, I will link that description to the Ultimate ChatGPT guidebook for real estate agents down below. I would, be so grateful if you'd go pick up a copy. It's $39. It's the best way you can support us right now. But like I said, if not, just tune into these videos. I will be just rolling them out as we go. 148 pages currently of content to get through, and I am going to try and cover all of it for you guys. And then as I update the guidebook, as ChatGPT updates, I'm going to update these videos too, and I may start taking videos down, reposting videos, who knows, but we've got some really cool stuff. Do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to our channel, follow along. Let me know, are you a ChatGPT Plus subscriber? What have you done for your real estate business using ChatGPT 4? What are some of the really cool stuff that you have been working on? I get so excited to learn. Obviously, I'm a technologist and I've been focused into the AI space. I'm building AI-based software, and that is so close to being ready. And I'm so excited to get to introduce Sam to you guys. That'll be a later video series, but I am going to kind of tease it throughout this video series. But that's what I've got for you guys. I hope you're having an incredible day, and I will talk to you very soon.